God does not exist.
Guys, standby lang kayo kasi ang masasaksihan nyo ay debate between Sispo and Vox Atheist. So, Sispo, can you please introduce yourself? 1 minute kung ano yung paniniwala mo. Go ahead. Para lang magkaroon ng idea yung mga audience natin.
Okay, ako si Sispo at isa akong deist at tatayo ako bilang negative sa patutunayan na assertion ni Vox sa topic namin na there is no God. So, shoutout sa mga nanonood na ateista at naniniwala sa Diyos at nawa ay ito ay maging daan, no, ng maayos na usapan between atheist at mga naniniwala sa Diyos.
Yan. Okay, dumadami na yung viewers natin. Guys, we do have a debate between Sispo and Vox Atheist. As you can see, may timer tayo, may moderator tayo. Vox, can you just introduce yourself? Can you please introduce yourself?
Yo, so my name is Fox. So as you know, I'm an atheist, and then I engage people for educational purposes then, and for my benefit then as well. Yun.
Ayan. Okay. So, Sir Atheist, since nandito ka, pwede bang ikaw yung mag-moderate sa kanilang dalawa, if kaya mo?
Biglaan to Sige, sanay naman ako.
Okay. ang ano nila, explain ko lang muna sa iyo yung time nila. 7, 7, 10, 6. Okay? Alright, ikaw na bahala. Take over mo na yung live ko.
Ito na lang mag-timer. 7, 7, 10, 6. Okay, sige. Same rules to ng round table, guys. Tama ba?
And then remind na lang
Okay.
for the purpose dahil last time kasi first time to sa round table dahil last time sa DevCon kasi yun last time. I don't know kung same bar.
Okay. So, yeah, guys, good evening. This will be AP's teacher, your instant moderator, whenever necessary. I would like to introduce you to our famous debaters. I've known them for a while now, and they are very good with their topics at hand. So first, let's have the affirmative side. For the record, ang topic nyo, can you please clarify the topic?
There's no God.
There is no God. Affirmative side, Vox Atheist, and negative, Sispo Media. Okay? So, Vox, you have a minute to introduce yourself. Go ahead.
Already did. Tapos na.
Tapos na. Okay, sorry. So, yeah, we will be going with the negative side. Sispo, please introduce yourself.
Okay, ako po si Sispo at isa po akong deist at tatayo bilang negative sa topic na there's no God.
Alright, so since we already know our panelists for this evening, with the platform, of course, Sensei Ilo, credits to you. Let's start with our opening statements. Coming from our affirmative side, Vox Atheist, you have 7 minutes. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you ladies and gentlemen and Sensei for giving us a space, and to my opponent who finally graciously accepted my challenge after making outlandish claims against atheists and skeptics alike, especially coming from a self-proclaimed deist. Now let's define terms. The deism, at minimum, the belief that there must belief in a God who created yet remains uninvolved in the world. This definition has been common throughout the history of deism since 17th to 18th century during the Age of Enlightenment. Atheism is simply the belief that there is no God. Simply the belief that there is no being we can call God, a God. Now, what is God? God is a title, and that is not a proper name. God is a title that we bestow upon a being worthy of worship, a being worthy of reverence, a being of adoration. What kind of being is there that should be worthy of worship? God must be all-knowing, all-loving, all-benevolent, personal, and if a being is founded to meet this characteristic, this being deserves the title of the office of God. My opponent might object because I am defining his position out of existence. Regardless of this possible accusation, it is true that the term God is a theistic concept. Deism only co-opted and stripped down the concept of God to a superior being. A superior being, by definition, does not entail godhood. God-like powers and God-like intelligence does not deserve worship, because if evil God hypothesis is true, would you worship that God? As that being as a god? How about a sufficient power being who created the known universe? Would you worship that as a god? How about a sufficiently advanced civilization that created the known universe? Would you call them a god? Or a mindless platonic form who through self-maximization or self-congruency causes the emergence of the known universe? Would you call that a god? Diba hindi? In the meantime, let's set aside theism for now because my opponent is a known deist, unless maybe for the next few minutes he will become a theist out of convenience. If at some point my opponent appealed to a non-deistic God, then my opponent already conceded the debate, for he has no valid or cogent point to support deism. Here is my valid argument in a valid compounded syllogistic form. Premise 1, to be worthy with the title of God, in meaningful and worship-worthy sense, a being must possess the attribute of omnibenevolence, moral authority, and personal relationship with its creation. Premise 2, a deistic being by definition is a non-interventionist and does not engage with its creation, lacking omnibenevolence and moral authority and personal relationship. Conclusion 1, therefore deistic being is not worthy the title of a god. Premise 3, if no being meets the essential characteristic of a considered a god, then belief in a traditional god is unwarranted, leading to the conclusion that atheism is true. No being meets the criteria to be considered a traditional god, therefore atheism is true. But again, there's more. The incoherence of deism goes beyond the mere claim of a detached creator. Deism suggests that a God who set uniform in motion but remain unprovable and undetectable, rendering belief in such a being as an act of faith rather than reason. Even if we accept the existence of this God, we face a deeper contradiction. Like motivation ng God na to and how He created the universe. A God who is indifferent to His creation is no further involvement or lack any coherence purpose of initiating the creation in the first place. This contradiction reveals the fundamental flaw sa deism. A God who creates without reason and then withdraw is an illogical concept, undermining the very foundation of the deistic belief. Last we checked, a deistic God is all theistic characterization of a God yet remain uninvolved sa world. Henceforth, for provisional purposes only, let's call this being as deistic God. The incoherence is being illustrated by this syllogism against Sisyphus God. Examples of problem of the null world. Premise 1, deistic God is considered to be a perfect being through less involved with the creation, post-creation. Premise 2, a perfect being who has reason for creating anything, and this reason would be grounded in the natural nature of perfection. Premise 3, if the non-God object exists, they must serve a purpose that align with the perfection of a God. Premise 4, in deism, since God does not intervene after creation, the creation itself must reflect God's perfection in its entirety. Premise 5, the existence of a non-God object that do not serve as an apparent purpose or align with perfection would suggest an imperfection in the creation. Premise 6, the universe, since that no God object and phenomenon that appeal to random, purposeless, or even harmful did not clearly reflect the perfectly purpose nito. Conclusion, the existence of a non-God object in the world created by a deistic God suggests that the creation is not fully reflected to His perfection, thereby challenging the notion of a perfect deistic God. If a God is not perfect, then either the deistic God is not perfect or does not exist. Given that deistic God is defined by perfection, this suggests that God does not exist. So, let's do a preemptive strike against possible argument is Sisyphus, which is a favorite argument of mga deists, is the fine-tuning argument. Claims that positing a creator or designer explains better finely tuned universe of the life to exist because the narrow life-permitting law that govern the universe, or what we call the stringent law. And somehow this support the deistic God, which I beg to differ, but it is not. Here's the reason why it failed and showed that the fine-tuning of the physics of the universe is irrelevant for the creation, for a creator. In the form of a challenge against my opponent. So, here's my challenge to you. Why assume that a deity or creator chooses a stringent law for life to emerge instead of a lax law? To allow the life to emerge, my opponent must provide an argument to support the necessity of a stringent law for life to emerge, then intelligent life. Positing a designer to support explanation of this fine-tuning constant for a life-permitting universe is detrimental to the probability of it being true. At the very least, it creates a irrelevant stance towards it. In fact, either it entails that the designer can be widely tuned a constant of a life-permitting universe but did not, or no designer attributes the higher likelihood of a fine-tuning constant for a permitting universe. You can ask your deistic friend from the sky to answer those if you want.
Alright, Vox, are you done?
Yes.
Alright, stop timer please. Thank you. Now we will be proceeding with the negative opening statements of Sispo. You have 7 minutes, Sispo. Ready when you are.
Okay. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi dyan sa Pilipinas. At ngayon ay tatayuan natin at tututulan natin yung mga pinagsasabi ni Vox, no? At haharapin natin ang isang pahayag na napaka-arrogant na sabihin na there is no God. At in short, or pwede nating sabihin na pag sinabing there is no God is a bad explanation. And it makes you stupid sa pag-claim na walang Diyos. Ayan. Dahil ang assertion, yung may taong may assertion, ay nasa kanya yung burden of proof na magbigay, no, ng mga ebidensya sa kanyang assertion. And affirmative dito si Sir Vox. Napapatunayan niya na walang Diyos, there is no God. Pero ang ginawa niya, inatake yung deism. No? Imbis na patunayan yung tayo niya na walang Diyos, umatake sa deism. Okay, magbabasa tayo dahil sa ating critics dyan. Babasahin natin yung ating script kagaya ng ginawa ni Sir Vox, no? Ayan. Today we are confronted with a claim that is as simplistic as it is audacious. Ayan. The assertion that there is no God, no? This position, while seemingly straightforward, ayan. Hindi kasi ako sanay nung may ganito. So mas maganda pa yung yung nandun sa utak ko. Mas magaling pa yung utak ko doon sa So, imbis na umatake si Sir Vox, o imbis na itayo ni Sir Vox yung mga pillar and evidence na argument na sa kanyang assertion, ang ginawa niya, umatake sa DSM. Ayan. Oh, paano mo mapapatunayan ang iyong assertion? Umaatake ka agad dun sa belief ng kalaban mo. Oh, kasi old school ako, no? Hindi ako yung nakikipagdebate na may script, no? Yan yung aking trademark. Yan. So sa mga ateista nagsasabi arrogantly, there is no God. Actually, that is too arrogant na sabihin yan. Without backup na argument na valid, na pwedeng masabi na iyan ay totoo yung assertion mo, Sir Vox. Ayan. Dinipain mo yung God. Dinipain niya yung God. Pero ang God na dinipain niya, yung deistic God. Ayan. Pero nagkiklaim niya, ito yung kabalintuanan niya. Nagkiklaim siya na walang Diyos, pero hindi niya alam kung aling Diyos yun. Yung hindi nag-e-exist na Diyos na yan. Ayan. Sabi niya, walang Diyos, walang Diyos, walang Diyos. Pero pag tinanong mo siya, sinong Diyos yung sinasabing mong wala? Sinong Diyos yun? Ayan. Wala naman. Sa mga nanonood, hindi ako maglalatag dito, no? Ang maglalatag dito, kung alam niyo yung mga traditional debate, yung affirmative lang, mag-negate lang po ang inyong lingkod dito. Ayan. Sa mga ilalatag ni Vox, pero wala naman siyang inilatag na ebidensya niya na there is no God. Ayan. Ayan, wala tayong ilalatag dito. Gigiba lang po tayo dito ng mga argumentong ilalatag ng affirmative o ng positive. Ayan. So, wala siyang itinayo. Paano tayo gigiba? Kasi wala naman siyang itinayo na argumento. Ano lang ang binigay niya? Mga critics lang niya o mga suggestion lamang niya sa deism. Ayan. Ngayon, ito yung hamon. Patunayan mo sa susunod mong tayo yung claim mo na there is no God. Kasi ang sabi, no, yung assertion dapat ng isang tao ay back up with yung nature of claim na there is no God, no, which assert that no God exists anywhere at any time. Ayan, proving such a claim requires evidence or reasoning that covers all possible instances where a deity might exist. Ayan. Ano pa? Ano yung pinakang limitation o pinakang butas nitong claim na to, no? Oh, yung limitation of evidence. In general, no? As a negative, impossible, no? That's too impossible na malagyan niya yan ng backup explanation yung kanyang assertion. Okay? Either all atheists na nandyan, backupan nyo yung assertion nyo na there is no God, no? There is no God. Pag sinabi mo, paano mo nasabi? Wala lang, pakiramdam ko lang, feeling ko lang. No? Ano pa? Yung kailangan yung i-consider box yung philosophical consideration na sinasabi. Ano yung sinasabi nila dyan? Lack of evidence, logical argument, no? Ayan. So, yun sa mga nanonood dyan na mga ateista na claim nyo there is no God, huwag kayong mag-claim kung wala kayong backup evidence and argument na valid para maitayo nyo yung inyong assertion na walang Diyos. Na walang Diyos. Basta sasabihin nila, walang Diyos, wala naman pala kayong wala naman kayong backup evidence. Ayan.
Thank you, Sisu, for that opening statement. And now we'll be proceeding with the rebuttals, which will be started by our affirmative side. 7 minutes, Box Ataeus. Go ahead.
So essentially, unfortunately, walang nalatag si Sispo. Not even a counter-argument dahil ang gusto niya is that ako lang talaga magbibigay. So the reason why I attack deism dahil one, it's no point to argue for a theist na wala namang theist dito sa conversation na to. We're talking about Sispo. Unless gusto niya i-debatehin ko yung theist na side na wala namang theist, and then who am I talking to? So is it Sispo or then the reason why I pivot to the deism God is ang pinapoint out, I think, which hindi na gets ni Sispo, nag-iiyak lang siya na he called me arrogant, and maybe I am arrogant, but again, it doesn't negate my argument. It may be true. Yes. Again, nonetheless, my argument is true and solid and valid. Walang na-address si Sispo sa argument ko. So therefore, unstated, he's basically ranting. Wala talaga. He never even get. So, ito yung strategy ko, which I think hindi na gets ni Sispo, no? So, Sispo is a deist, and no point for me to argue ng isang theistic God dito. Dahil one, there's no theist dito sa debate na to. Only you, Sispo. You are a deistic person, right? Unless, of course, sasabihin mo hindi ka na deistic, then tatayuan mo is theistic. Again, which you did admit, you're a deist. So, ang pinapakita ko lang, in your belief, even if there is a being, sabihin na natin deist, or what you call being, super being, we cannot call it God. Therefore, if wala tayong being na associated sa title ng God, therefore, totoo yung atheism. merong validity yung atheism. Yan yung argument ng pinapakita ko. Which, ang position mo is a deistic God. Ang pinapakita ko sa'yo, whatever you argue for, nasasabi, at least at the very least, wala kang pinapakitang argument at least once to prove or even support ng deist. You just asserted na somehow, evidence ko, argument, I don't know. Those, what I gave you, Sispo, those are arguments. Clearly, you don't recognize an argument when you see one. Dahil those are arguments in syllogistic form. Ano pang gusto mo? So, and speaking of philosophically, no, I just provided you evidence philosophically. Kung hindi yun philosophically, I don't know what you mean by philosophically. Kung gusto mo in the narrow sense of ignorance na philosophical na ginagawa mo ngayon, again, that is exactly how philosophy works. The one I just gave you, no, those are philosophical arguments. Kung hindi yan philosophical para sa iyo, then wala kang alam anong philosophical para sa iyo. Again, and you're strawmanning me, no, earlier. And it's actually a straw man in a sense that I have to show you evidence dahil in the sense of the burden of proof, which I already did. No? Ang burden ko lang dito na pinapakita is that there's no being na pwede natin tawagin God. Dahil one, aliens cannot be a super intelligent civilization, cannot be considered a God, or even a super being. So a God in theistic concept, or even kahit ating mga philosophy of religion, they considered God as a title. So, ang pinapakita ko lang, ang status quo. The status quo that kahit there is a theistic God, set aside natin dahil one, you're not a theist, let's focus on the deism. Now, when we examine deism, we find out even if merong tayong tinatawag na creator outside of space and time, can we call that a God? Diba? Hindi. That's my point. Hindi natin siya matatawag God, therefore, walang God. So, yan yung totoo. It may be sound arrogant para kang Sispo, but again, it is true. Wala siyang nalatag, wala siyang inataking any argument sa binigay kong syllogism, or maybe am I talking too fast dahil sa 7 minutes is so short instead of 10 minutes? Well, it's his job. His so-called debater, magaling daw siya. Pakita niyang galing niya. Wow.
Alright, thank you for that rebuttal, Dr. Teus. And now we'll be proceeding with the rebuttals of Sispo. 7 minutes of time. Sispo, go ahead.
Okay, rebuttal ko, no? At ulitin ko yung burden of proof na sinatawag. Pag ikaw nasa posisyon ng affirmative, ikaw yung magtatayo ng mga poste para backupan yung iyong assertion. Okay? Technically, yan yung dapat gawin ng affirmative. So, ang ginawa ng affirmative, instead na magtayo ng mga poste pang backup doon sa kanyang assertion, ang ginawa niya, umatake. Ayan. So, wala siyang itinatayo. Anong tinatayo niya? Yung alien hindi yung pwede maging Diyos. Therefore, there is no God. Is that a philosophical argument for you, guys? No? So, wala siyang dinidrill na poste para backupan yung there is no God na assertion niya. No? Ang sinabi niyang philosophical argument na hindi pwedeng maging God yung alien. Therefore, there's no God. Anong klaseng argument yun? Ha? Oh. Yan ba yung magagaling? Ang tingin kasi ng mga tao ngayon, kung sino yung magaling magsalita, at yung pabulol-bulol, yun yung walang alam. Ayan. Ganun na yung sukatan ng intelligence today, ng mga Gen Z today, no? So sa mga nagko-comment diyan, may pampers pa kayo sa mga puwet niyo. Nakikipagdebate na ako. No? At sa mga sinasabi niyo na yung argument niyo na there is no God, ano ba yung anong klaseng atheism ka ba? No? No? Baka agnostic ka lang. Baka confused ka kung anong side of atheism ka. Baka hindi mo alam. No? Yun muna ang anuhin mo. Baka may identity, crisis ka about your stance about in atheism. Sabi mo, hindi pwedeng maging alien, hindi maging pwedeng Diyos yung alien, therefore there is no God. Anong klaseng argumento yon? Ha? O, nasan yung mamaya igigil kita sa question and answer, no? Sa cross-examination. Ipipigayin natin yan mamaya. At yung burden of proof na sinasabi natin as affirmative, na dapat ilatag ng ating affirmative, wala siyang nilalatag. Kagaya din siya ni God delusion that time. No? Kung ano nang pinagsasabi, wala namang backup argument. Ano bang backup argument mo? Alien na hindi pwedeng maging Diyos? Therefore, there is no God? Kakatawa naman nun. Yeah? Anong klase yun? No, sasabihin nila, dapat ang sabihin mo, ang totoong ateista, pag may nagsabi, may Diyos, sasabihin lang dapat ng totoong ateist, pasensya ka na, hindi ako naniniwala, hindi ako convincing sa'yo. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa kanya na mali ka without right answer. Hindi ka pwedeng magsabi na mali ka, tapos pag tinanong sa'yo kung bakit mo nasabi akong mali, wala naman pala akong maibigay na valid reason bakit ako nagsabing mali doon sa aking kapwa. Dapat mayroon kang backup na sabihin na walang Diyos kasi therefore ganito na pero wala di ba? So itong dalawa to ni Box at ni God Delusion, parehas lang ng style. No? Parehas lang sila ng style na umaatake, hindi nagtatayo ng mga poste. Kaya yun, gigibayan mamaya, tingnan nyo pag sa cross-examination. Sa mga dito, ilo, pahingi ako ng kopya, and i-clip natin yan. Gagawin ko kasi itong opening sa aking mga live. Ayan. Gagawin ko siyang superstar sa aking live. At sa mga statement niyang sasabihin sa cross-examination. Ayan. At sabi pa ni Box na yung deism na Diyos ay hindi ano ang sa pagkasabi niya kasi? Illogical God, no? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin 'yun, no? Kasi may kasabihan 'yan, no? Na hindi pa pwedeng hindi mo nakita diyan sa lugar mo, wala na. Hindi na totoo. Ayan. Ang argument na to, nagpe-preach po ako. Kasi pastor ako dati. Ayan. Sa mga nag-iiyak ng ateista dyan, patunayan nyo yung there is no God nyo. Hindi basta lang emotion at ego ang backup nyo dyan. Diba? Ayan. So, siguro yun na lamang at diretso na tayo sa gisahan. Ayan. To, Meg nga pala, Meg. Oo. Mamaya, tanungin kita, Meg, ha? Oo, to. Mamaya. Yan. Sa mga nag-iyak ang mga ateista dyan, ayan, mamaya, tingnan nyo kung paano natin igisahin yan si Box Atheus dito sa ating cross-examination. Yun lamang po.
Alright, i-wave na ni Sispo yung kanyang oras. Tama ba, Sispo? Para makapag-proceed na tayo sa ating cross-examination. To be headed by the affirmative side again. You have, again, to remind everyone, please construct your statements and questions in a most simple and clear way. Same with answering. And please answer directly before giving any explanation. Alright, so I hope we are clear with those rules. Box Atheus, ready ka na to cross-examine si Spook?
Sige.
Alright, timer starts now.
So, first question, how long have you been debating?
Since may diaper ka pa sa siguro. Next
So, is it safe to say 30 years ka na nagdi-debate? Tama ba?
Siguro.
Siguro you're not sure?
Yeah. Ang sabi mo kasi approximate. Kaya,
So you're not sure how long have you been debating?
yeah.
So, anong support mo na wala akong burden of proof despite showing all of those arguments? Alin dyan ng walang burden of proof?
Ang sinabi mo lang kasi ay hindi pwedeng maging Diyos yung alien, therefore is God. Dito walang Diyos.
Are you sure? Yan lang yung sinabi ko? Alien lang talagang nakuha mo?
Yes, yes. Next question.
Aren't you listening?
I'm listening.
Then anong position ko, bakit sinabi kong aliens dyan? Sang word na sinabi kong aliens dyan?
I'm not particular, basta nag
So
sa akin.
you didn't listen, tama?
Patapusin mo lang ko, objection, Mr. Moderator.
Mhm.
Oo, kagatin mo muna yung labi mo, Meg, no? Oo. At sasagot na tayo. Ayan. So yung sa sinabi mo na yung sa ibang planet, pag may alien doon na hindi pwedeng maging Diyos, hindi pwedeng maging Diyos yung alien, therefore there is no God. Yan lang yung sinasabi mong ebidensya mo. Next
So
question.
kung merong sufficiently advanced being, would you consider him a god?
No?
Oh. If merong sufficiently strong being but evil, would you call him a god?
No?
Oh. Kung merong tawag natin na platonic form, would you call him a god?
No?
So therefore walang god in deistic sense. Tama?
Objection, hindi siya pwedeng ngayon, trabaho lang niya hindi siya pwedeng
Leading kasi sis po, sorry no, but stop time muna tayo. Leading yung premises to his question and I will grant that to him. You may answer.
Pakiulit yung yung question niya, rephrase in question form.
Yeah. And
Alright.
with those following indication na hindi mo sila kinakilalang God, then therefore walang God. Tama? Does it follow?
No? Next
Why not?
question.
Why not? Yun ang question ko, why not?
That's my answer.
Why not?
Why not nga eh? Tinatangon ka, why not? Sabi mo no, why not?
I don't know. That's my answer.
So you don't know, next question, sige. So are you a deist? Sispo?
Yeah.
Okay. Ano bang definition ng deism?
Deism. Deism. It's a Latin word. Next question.
What kind of Latin word?
De means Dios, and ism means really. Next question.
So kung ganyan, ano bang ibig sabihin ng God para sa'yo?
God, for me, that is yung definition ng God, deistic God, supreme being. That's it.
Oh, example, supreme being na sinasabi natin evil. Oh, supreme being who is that evil, would you consider him a god? Supreme siya.
Supreme being. Come again?
He's a supreme being but evil god. Would you call him a god?
No.
Okay, so hindi lang pala basta so in your definition, as long as supreme, you consider him a god. Tama? Earlier, that was your definition.
Not my definition. That is
You
general.
just said it.
definition.
You just said it, supreme being.
Patapusin mo ko sa sagot. Huwag ka sumabay. Kasi ka lang, no? Ang sinabi ko
Teka
sa'yo-
lang, sis po. Please, Box, but stop time. Yes, please. I would like to remind everyone to please be patient when succeeding questions are coming up. So, patapusin natin po yung sumasagot and para magkaroon tayo ng order. Okay, continue tayo.
Next
Okay,
question.
so balik tayo sa earlier question ko na hindi mo nasagot. Anong support mo na sinasabi ako walang...
Objection, Mr. Moderator. Pakisabi, wala ditong conclusion, no? Kasi nagbibigay siya ng maling information sa mga nanonood.
Patapusin muna natin yung tanong.
I am
Sige,
sorry
sige.
kung...
Box, ano yung tanong?
Ang tanong ko, earlier sinabi mo sa rebuttal mo na wala akong support sa burden of proof. Now,
Yung question mo.
now, saan sa point dito sa argument ko nagsasabi wala akong supporting evidence?
Wala kang supporting evidence kasi yung alien lang yung sinabi mo na hindi pwede silang maging Diyos kasi therefore there's no God.
And few minutes ago, you just admit na hindi mo na-gets yung argument ko earlier. So,
Yung nagko-conclusion siya ng mga bagay na
Yes, Box. Please, question and answer only.
sige.
We do not-
With the with the given admittance earlier na hindi mo na-gets yung argument ko earlier, isa lang narinig mo.
Again,
No.
wala akong hindi nag-gets. Sinasagot kita, pakisabi, Mr. Moderator, no conclusion, please.
Narinig mong the rest of my argument?
Magtanong
Yes
ka
or
lang.
no?
Debate 101 to,
Narinig mo ba yung the rest of my argument? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you point out, aside from the alien, ano pang mga arguments ko?
Yun lang natatandaan ko, sinagot na kita dyan kanina. Next question.
Okay. Yan lang natatandaan mo, correct me? If I heard you correctly?
Yes, sinagot na kita. Ano pang question?
Then, therefore, you never got my argument, tama?
I get your argument. Yung alien,
Then-
hindi pwedeng katapusin mo ko. Debate 101 to, tinuturuan kita makipag-debate. Yung alien, sabi mo, hindi pwedeng maging Diyos, therefore there is no God. Yan lang yung ebidensya mo. Next question.
Did you hear when I said na a sufficiently powerful being who created the universe? Did you hear that on my speech?
Siguro hindi yun sa akin. Question.
So, my next question. If you didn't hear the rest of my argument, how can you say na wala akong burden of proof? Hindi na meet ang burden of proof.
Yes, kasi yun nga lang yung pinaka-burden of proof mo na nilalatag mo yung alien sa ibang planeta. Ulitin ko ha, sa alien sa ibang planeta, hindi pwedeng maging Diyos. Sabi ni Bok Atheos, therefore there is no fucking God. Ayan.
Did I say meron fucking God?
Kasasabi mo lang to.
Did I say fucking? At my speech, meron akong sinabing fucking?
Yan lang, yun kasasabi mo.
Meron, answer my question, sis Wood. At some point in my speech, meron ba akong fucking na word na sinabi?
Sinagot na kita. Next question.
So, I never heard, sorry moderator, I never heard his answer. Did you at some point in my speech hear I say the word fuck?
Just say
No, it's not part of my speech. It's part of my question. At some point, again, sis po, answer my question. Pause ng time.
Time.
answer
Patay.
Mr. Moderator.
Ganito, teka lang. Kalma muna kayo, no? Kalma muna kayo. Ganito, malalayo tayo sa topic eh. Can we just please put ourselves in the point where we are arguing and debating about God's existence and not just some semantics that someone mentioned, alright?
Okay. Sige, move tayo. So, bakit hindi pwede sabihin na walang Diyos? Bakit illogical? That was your part of your speech. Bakit hindi pwede?
Kasi
Can you support that?
dapat meron kang to say something na boldly and arrogantly. Dapat meron kang backup na evidence dun sa assertion mo.
An argument, would you consider an argument as an evidence?
Yes, kaso ang argument mo nga lang, basta tapusin mo ko, debate 101 to kasi tinuturuan kita makipag-debate. Yung
Oh, go ahead.
alien, stop ka muna, hindi pa ako tapos. Yung alien, sabi mo, sa outer space, sa ibang planeta, hindi pwede maging Diyos. Therefore, there is no God. Yan yung sabi ni Vox Atheist. Next question.
Yan lang ba yung nasa ulit? Yun lang? Did you listen my argument, Sispo?
Galingan mo yung pagtatanong.
Did you listen to my argument, Sispo?
Sinasagot kita. Sabi ko, tabilan mo ng kaunti yung pagtatanong.
Did you hear my argument? At some point, did I only argue
Yes.
aliens only? Did I only argue aliens only?
Yeah, ulitin ko ulit. Yan lang yung tumatak sa akin, yung alien. Next question.
Ito no, i-wave ko na ng time atheist teacher dahil hindi niya na-gets yung argument. Yeah.
Alright, so Vox should be waiving his time regarding his cross-examination. Now we'll be proceeding with the cross-examination of the negative side to the affirmative side. 10 minutes. Sispo to Vox. Go ahead.
Okay, ready ka na, Meg? To?
Go ahead.
Ready ka na to? Okay. Yung pagkasabi mong there is no God, ano ang pinaghugutan mo niyan?
The fact that walang God nag-i-exist.
Wait lang.
The fact that walang God nag-i-exist.
Wait lang. Hindi pa ako tapos.
Oh, hindi pa daw.
Yung profile ko. Bukod sa alien na hindi pwedeng maging Diyos, therefore there is no God. Bukod doon, ano yung pinaghuhugutan mo? Ano pa?
Paano ba? Which is 90% of my argument said that if there is a being,
Objection, Mr. Moderator.
I'm answering.
My question
Please, guys, do not argue.
I'm answering.
Do not argue.
I'm answering, which is based on my speech.
Let's backtrack. I will give Sispo time to ask the question again, and then I will give Vox time to answer. Alright?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Ito yung tanong ko. Maliban sa alien na backup mo, na pinaghuhugutan mo ng there is no God, ano pa? No? Ano pa ang patunay mo na there is no fucking God?
Alright, is that the question, Sispo? And then we will
Yes.
start the time after Vox answers. Okay. Go ahead, Vox.
So first of all, I never said the word fuck, no? And aside from alien, na hindi narinig ni Sispo the rest of my argument, I said na my argument is that the reason walang God is that there is no being that satisfy the criterion to meet being a God.
Wait lang, hindi gumagana yung timer sa taas. SB pa start ng timer sa taas din. Thank you. Para continuous time tayo. Alright. So, now that we've given our debaters their question and answer, we will be proceeding with the continuous cross-examination. Sispo, go ahead.
Okay. So, yung argument mo, anong pangalan nga nung argument mo na yan para at least ma-check ko yung argument mo na sinasabi mo bukod sa attacking alien?
Moderator, I never said fucking.
Sagot sa Mr. Moderator. Valid yung question.
Sagot lang.
Putting words in my mouth, sorry. Rephrase his question.
It's just it's just
There's no need for need for profanity dahil
Hindi yan direkta sa kanya, no? Oo. Hindi direkta yan sa kalaban ko, no? Ito ay statement ko yun, no? Hindi
No,
direkta.
it's not because na ininsulto ako sa sinabi yang fuck, but first, wala yan sa speech ko. And anong reason niya lalagyan ng fuck? Anong benefit for that? He can remove that.
Ganito, guys. Let me explain. Let me explain, okay? Let me remind you that a debate is type of an art where anyone have the liberty to put some extras, no, to put an art to their statements in order for them to be more appealing to the audience. So please, let's not, shall I say, concentrate, no,
Sasagot
on
ka ba,
some of, on some of, teka lang Sispo.
Sorry.
Papaliwanag ko lang sa inyo. Wag tayong wag tayong masyadong mainit this is a professional debate. I expect everyone to be professionals. Otherwise, I will do something that you both wouldn't like. I will stop this debate because this is going nowhere. Now, if you want to be professionals in this platform, then let's be professionals. All right? So, sige sis po, pakiulit yung tanong.
Motion, second motion, atheist. I agree with you. We should be professional, so we should leave profanity out of the door. I agree.
Okay, sis po,
Okay.
pakitanong
Restrict your
mo yung tanong
question.
mo para matuloy na, matapos na. Sige.
Okay. Anong argument mo maliban nga doon sa mga alien na hindi pwedeng maging Diyos na argument? Paki-state mo nga yung argument, klaseng argument, induction, deduction ba yan? Anong name ng argument na yan?
Deduction.
Nagpapatunay
Aren't you listening?
Wait lang. Na nagpapatunay na
Deduction.
there's no God.
Deduction.
Okay, anong klase yun? Pakisabi nga ngayon.
Modus tollens, modus ponens, modus tollens.
Okay, pakilatag nga yan.
I already did. Sorry. I already did in my opening speech. There's no point of...
Sis po, your statement is not a question. No,
Okay.
it is a statement. It is a declarative statement. Please ask a question.
Sige, ayusin ko, Mr. Moderator. No? Kaya mo bang ilatag sa oras ko yung sinasabi mong argument? Kaya o hindi?
Kaya, but I don't think it's necessary. I already spoken it sa opening speech ko. It's your loss kung hindi mo narinig.
Okay. So, magbigay ka lang ng ng dalawang word doon sa sinasabing mong argument para marinig namin.
To be worthy of the title of God, more than two.
Okay. So, maliban doon sa dalawang yan, maliban sa dalawang yan, anong pinaghuhugutan
In a
mo pa?
meaningful-
Saan galing? Ha? Objection.
In a meaningful-
Bro Box, hindi pa tapos yung question. Hintayin natin siya.
Okay,
matapos para makasagot ka ng kompleto, no? Kasi mapuputol tayo and then hindi mo masasagot and lalawak yung problem natin. Sige, sis po, pakiulit yung tanong and then sasagutin ni Box.
Okay. Anong klaseng atheist ka?
Atheist.
Anong faction? Anong strong?
I don't understand the question.
Okay.
What do you mean faction?
Hindi mo ba alam na may tatlo at least na pagkakaiba ang mga ateista?
Is that part of this debate about my
Yes.
atheism?
Sasagutin mo ba o hindi?
Hindi, dahil one, it's not part of the debate.
Okay. So, yung mag-claim ba na there is no God without backup ng valid statement, valid argument, ito ba ay tamang gawin ng isang matinong tao?
Yes.
Valid na gawin ng isang tao na mag-claim na there is no God na walang ebidensya?
No.
No. Okay. So, ikaw ba ay isang materialist?
No.
Hindi ka materialist. So, kung hindi ka materialist,
No.
naniniwala ka sa immaterial.
What do you mean immaterial?
Sagot lang, sagot. Naniniwala ka sa immaterial.
I don't know I don't know what you mean immaterial. I cannot
So,
answer the question if I don't know what you
Alam
mean.
mo ba yung salitang immaterial, box?
I don't know what you mean by
Alam mo hindi.
immaterial.
Mr. Moderator, alam mo hindi.
Opposite of material, okay? Opposite of material, okay?
So naniniwala ka sa immaterial.
In what sense?
Mr. Moderator, objection, no?
I don't understand. Sorry, moderator, I don't understand saan to patungo.
Bagkus nagtatanong siya sa
I don't know how. Am I being interrogated or is it about my speech?
Categorical yung tanong. Categorical yung tanong.
Yeah, I was hoping that this question will lead to something that maybe we shed a light on later on this, maybe after 2 to 3 questions. So it will be in your modest box. Again, it will be in your modest if you want to answer or not. So if you don't want to answer, please
so
say so.
I
And
don't
then
want to. Yeah, I don't want to answer because it will go stringent or malalayo na tayo sa debate. Would you agree?
All right. All right. Sis,
Okay.
please rephrase your question.
Okay, for the record, ayaw mo bang sagutin yung tanong ko, box?
Because it's
All right,
relevant,
box,
yes.
It's irrelevant. He said it's irrelevant and he doesn't want
Irrelevant,
to answer it.
yes.
Okay, let's continue. Okay.
Irrelevant. So, hindi ka materialist pero hindi mo alam yung immaterial, tama?
I don't know what you mean by immaterial. I don't want to assume what you meant.
No, it's not
Can you
what
define
I
that?
mean. Alam mo ba ang immaterial? Again, alam mo ba ang meaning ng immaterial?
Opposite of material, okay.
Okay, naniniwala ka ulit sa immaterial? Sabi mo hindi ka lang materialist eh.
Yes. Yes.
Naniniwala ka may mga bagay na immaterial?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, doon sa laws of logic na ginagamit mo philosophically, ito ba ay physical o material o immaterial?
Abstract or immaterial?
Abstract and immaterial. So, sa immaterial ba may right or wrong?
Abstraction, yes.
Sa abstract realm may right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. Anong prove mo? Paano mo mapatunayan sa abstract realm mayroong right or wrong?
Proposition can be true or false.
How?
Proposition can be true or false. How?
Proposition in immaterial, in abstract realm? Box?
Yeah, proposition is not touchable, di ba? Correct me if I'm
Okay.
wrong.
So how do you know na yung abstract realm ay may tama't mali doon? How do you know? Ano yung
Proposition,
pang left
truth
mo?
value. Truth value.
Proposition of
There is
what?
truth value in proposition.
Proposition of what?
Propositions. Propositions can have truth values, true or false.
Okay. So doon sa abstract realm, sabi ni Vox Atheos, for the record, ulitin ko bilang premise. Ayan. Sa abstract world, sabi ni Vox Atheos, I may right and wrong. Okay, paano mo nalaman na yung opinion ko in abstract realm ay mali?
Don't understand the question.
Sasagot ka ba o hindi, Vox?
I don't understand the question, so I cannot answer.
Please, okay, Sis po, kindly repeat and clarify your question.
Okay, yung opinion ko which is abstract and immaterial in abstract and immaterial realm papaano mo nasabi na yung opinion ko ay mali?
I don't care sa opinion mo.
Pakiulit kasi nag-choppy siya.
I don't care sa opinion mo, so therefore wala akong truth value na lalagay doon. I don't know your opinion, so I don't understand really the question, sis po.
So ngayon, sinasabi mo sa akin ngayon na mali yung sinabi mo kanina na may right and wrong doon.
I don't know what's your opinion, so I cannot say it's right or wrong. So, can you elaborate?
No, I'm asking question. Paano
I'm not
mo
a right mind
nasabi
reader,
na
sis
ka ng
po.
statement as a premise to sa Mr. Moderator, no? Sabi niya kanina, doon sa abstract realm, immaterial world, ay may right or wrong. Kasi daw doon sa proposition na sinasabi. Ngayon, paano mo nalaman na yung opinion ko in abstract world, realm, ay mali? Box.
If it didn't correspond to reality, then mali.
Paano mo nga nalaman doon sa abstract world realm na hindi yun corresponds into reality?
Can you give an example?
Sagot lang, sagot. Huwag kang magtanong sa akin.
I don't know. I said if it doesn't corresponds in reality your opinion, then it's wrong. I don't know I don't know your opinion, Sisbo. So I cannot assume it's right everything.
Ano yung pinakang epistemic justification mo to judge what is wrong and what is right?
If it corresponds to reality.
In abstract realm, not in reality.
I never said I'm only in the abstract realm. I said
So hindi
merong tawag natin proposition na we can call abstract. I never made an abstract realm a proposition, Sispo. You're putting words in my mouth.
So I'm not putting words in your mouth. I'm putting loads of shit in your mouth today. Yeah.
That's exactly putting loaded words.
1 minute, Sispo.
Okay, 1 minute. So papaano mo nasabi sa mga nanonood at sa akin ngayon na mali ang mga theist in abstract world, ang basihan mo lang ay material and physical?
I never made that claim, Sispo. You're putting your straw manning me.
Just now.
Nope, I never said that. You're forgetting something.
Okay, so I think I raised my case and I think meron na akong pang clip sa aking mga live.
What ang case?
Alright, Sispo, tapos na sa time. Reset natin to 6 minutes for the closing remarks. Alright? By the way, our closing remarks will be started by our negative side to be followed by our affirmative side. Alright, Sispo, 6 minutes, closing remarks. Go ahead.
Okay, closing remarks. Salamat sa mga artista dyan, ano, at sabi ko naman sa inyo, no, even though mukha akong kengkoy, but sa mga nagsubok na lumaban kay Sispo, madami nang sumubok, pero sabi nga ni Duterte, huwag niyo nang subukan. Ayan. Huwag nyo na subukan, masisira lang buhay nyo. Ayan. Sa mga ateista dyan, nasabi nyo, there is no God, mali yung mga ateist, in abstract realm, wala naman palang right and wrong. Tapos mag-decide si Box na mali yung opinion ko in abstract realm, pero ang basihan niya physical. Tangible. Paano yun? Di ba? So ito yung mga hindi malaman ng mga ateista, no? Sinasabi ko sa inyo di ba? So, at least sa mga ano dyan, ano, nakaganti na tayo. Naipagiganti ko na kayo yung mga nabuli ng mga ateistang mga kengkoy na ito. Ayan. Diba? So, punta kayo sa mga live ko. Doon tayo mag-usap. Hindi ko kayo i-mute. No? Hindi ko kayo i-mute sa comment section. Hindi ko din kayo, papaakyatin ko pa kayo doon sa aking live. Ayan. Yan. So sa mga nanonood dyan, and actually malaking tulong yung mga live ko na yon. Doon ko na lang narinig yung mga panggamit na ganyan eh. Ayan. Kaya yung mga nagkiklaim dyan arrogantly, there is no God, walang Diyos, walang Diyos, walang Diyos. Pag nilente mo na doon sa abstract realm, hindi na nila alam kung ano pala yung pinagbabasihan nila ng tama't mali. Yan. Saan may gaground yung ano mo? Yung assertion mo? Saan mo i-ground yung assertion mo? In abstract realm, box? Yeah? Saan mo i-ground yan? Eh hindi mo na maintindihan doon sa taas na yan. Diyan sa ano na yan. Ang sabi nga dyan ng mga ano daw, ang sabi nga daw ng mga ano ito. Bino, salamat sa iyo, no, kapatid. At ito yung number 1 Cisponatics ko, no? Shoutout sa iyo, bro. At sa mga artista na dismaya sa kay Box, performance ni Box, pag-aralin niyo muna ulit si Box, okay? And hindi kasi ako nagbabasa ng mga nakabase sa mga chat GPT at mga AI. Gusto ko lang kasi yung raw, yung galing kay Sispo. Yung trademark ko yan pabulol-bulol, yung mga ganyan lang ba? Ayan. Yung mga konting siko-siko, ganun lang. Yan yung old school. Ayan. So sa mga artista dyan, and I think si Ilo ay dati yan kasama ko sa ano no sa pre-thinker. Ayan. At sila yung mga magagaling makipag-argumento. At may mga kasama pa ako, hindi ko palang tinadala dito na kagaya ko din. Pero mas magagaling sila magagaling silang magsalita kaysa sa akin. Kasi mabilis akong mag-isip, mabagal yung bunganga ko kaya nabubulol. Ayan. Shoutout kay Spinach na Cisponatics, no? At bibigyan kita ng t-shirt, bro, Spinach, no? Bigay mo sa akin yung address mo. Lalagyan natin Cispo Media. Ayan. Shoutout sa mga Cisponatics na nandyan at sa mga nagagalit sa akin. Nagagalit sa akin. At dito natin napatunayan na yung mga ateista pala walang grounding. Walang epistemic justification ang tawag nga, nakakatalino, no? Pag yung binabanggit mo, no? Yung mga ganong mga jargon, mga English na gano'n, no? Ngayon, sa mga old school, ano lang kami, anong hugot mo? Ganon lang. So, anong hugot mo? Sa mga pinagsasabi mo, ayan, saan mo huhugutin yan? Ano pinaghuhugutan mo yan? Ayan. So, yun pala, wala pala silang epistemic justification doon sa kanilang assertion. Yan. Ano yung assertion nila? Walang Diyos, walang Diyos, walang Diyos. Wala palang grounding yun. No, wala palang grounding yung sa kanila kasi hindi nila alam doon sa abstract realm, which is yan yung logic, nandyan yung opinion, nandyan yung nandyan yung syllogism, immaterial world. Ayan. Dapat pag-aralan yan ng mga ateista. Nga pala, Box, Meg, pasensyahan mo na si Meg mo, ha? At collateral damage ka lang sa wage war against atheism. Ayan. At salamat kay Ilo at kay aking kaibigan na si Atheist Teacher na walang sawang nagpa-unlock sa debating ito.
Alright. Thank you, Sispo. Oo, walang anuman, kaibigan. Kahit biglaan, sige lang. Now we will be proceeding with the closing remarks of Vox Ateus as the affirmative side. Vox, 6 minutes. Go ahead.
Well, to be honest, no, I spent like few hours, couple of days researching my debate, but somehow kind of disappointing dahil one, walang binatbat yung kadebate ko dahil one, he never even bothered to create an argument or even at worst even listen to my argument. No, I expect, coming from a person who's been debating for 30 years, his word not mine, na somehow magaling siya, competent, pero so far ang narinig niya lang, hindi I'm sorry, but I know, mabilis ako magsalita, but I tried my best to enunciate my word in my speech, no? Premise by premise, I even skipped some of those na supporting premises ko, supporting notes ko, each premises, just to make up time, para lang mabigay ko lang ang argument ni Sispo. Dahil 30 years, kalain mo. Pero, as I've seen, witness, and experience it myself, it's kinda downer, to be honest. It's disappointing dahil one, he only get one line sa kahabang-habang speech ko. 3 pages actually. And yan yung ginamit niya as an argument. It's not even represented from my entire speech in my position. Yan yung ginamit niya. Naghulbot lang siya ng isang sentence, one-liner, and somehow he's used it to strawman my argument. I didn't expect that coming from a 30 years of debater or experience for debating, defending his position for deism. He didn't even address one of my tatlo yung arguments ko binigay. Argument from the incoherence of the deistic God, dahil one, Sispo is a deist. Second, yung the incoherence of the argument of the problem of the null world hypothesis, no? Especially in related to the deistic God. Hindi niya yun in-address, not even once. Even yung common argument ng mga kababayan niyang deist, like the fine-tuning argument, he didn't even address it. So, si Sispo is trying to say na wala akong burden of proof. Actually, I accepted the reason why I'm in positive dahil I'm confident enough to address my burden of proof, which I did. I provided argument and supporting argument sa lahat ng mga premises ko. Now, Sispo didn't address those and somehow sinabi niya, wala kang argument dahil one, he already sidetracked the topic. He never addresses my argument. So therefore, wala talaga siyang makukuhang supporting argument dyan dahil one, he doesn't recognize what is an argument is and what even is a valid argument. I told him here, I provided here, these are a compound and syllogistic formula. This is a modus tollens and modus tollens and modus ponens form of argumentation. It means it's valid. If each premises is true, therefore it necessarily follow the conclusion is true. Now, neither any point, at some point of this debate, after 1 hour of speaking ni Sispo, wala siyang na-address kahit isa. Therefore, if this all my statement or premises is true, therefore the conclusion follows. Therefore, walang nalatag si Sispo. He's saying na, the burden of proof should me. Dude, I am already in affirmative. I already given you an argument, philosophical argument, and you even didn't address them, not even once. Only one-liner, aliens. There's no even word aliens dito. I just said sufficiently advanced civilization. Okay, fine, alien. It is indeed the alien, pero that's not the entirety of my speech. So, unfortunately, this is the great Sispo, 30 years in his belt. Parang it's hard to believe. It's a downer, to be honest. I wasted like 5 hours of my 4 days of break creating the speech. Somehow wala siyang in-address. Yun lang. Actually, hindi yun lang, no. Let's go back sa mga points of view niya sa burden of proof. One, I already addressed the burden of proof by providing this argument with supporting argument din sa each premises, which ayaw ni Sis po i-address dahil alam niya I'm prepared. Dahil that's how debaters do. I trained kids to debate. That's how you debate. I'm preparing. He never addressed it. He segues some kind of a burden of proof and not even arguments that I didn't even make. And that is what we called a straw man. If Sisbo is not aware, and for the audience, for the purpose of audience, he's distorting my argument. After 30 years, I'd never seen this kind of a debater na so appalling, so obvious ang pagka-strawman, which he admit, hindi niya na-gets lahat ang mga argument ko. He only remember one line. Yun lang. And somehow, we expect him, he debunked my argument na he only remember one line. Would you say na si Sisbo has read all the Harry Potter works of Harry Potter, the books of Harry Potter, if he only read one word? Tama ba yun? 30 years. Is that a joke? To be honest, it's kinda a downer, disappointing. You can upload it if you want, Sisbo, but me, I don't even want to show this in my record.
All right, that concludes the debate for this evening, and thank you all for joining us tonight. And I hope you guys learned something, got something, and something that you can use in your future discussions or debates. Thank you to our debaters. Thank you to SP for being the timekeeper, and to Sensei Ilo for being the platform of this debate. Teacher, no? Thanking you all and wishing you to have a good night.
Sir Atheist Teacher, meron pa ba silang time? Baka gusto nilang magpa-up for questions like yung sa round tables. Or
Hindi na ako mag-judge. Ako, hindi na. Pero kung gusto nyo, tuloy nyo na lang.
Pero gusto ba nila? Sispo,
gusto nyo ba
Box,
ng...
gusto nyo ba? May time pa ba kayo? Para magpaakyat ng mga
Okay,
magtatanong sa inyo?
meron pa akong pizza dito, so that's why.
Sispo, ikaw, okay ka pa?
Okay lang ba sa'yo na...
Hindi, gusto ko sana Hino, kaso may trabaho pa ako, alam mo naman.
Okay. No problem. That's fine. Okay. I think that's all for now. Alright.
Sige.
Ayan.
Thank you,
sige.
guys.
Ayan. Mag-end live na din ako. Thank you, guys. So, ayan. Nasaksihan po natin ang debate ni Box and ni Sispo. Thank you kay SP sa pagiging timer natin and kay Sir Atheist Teacher sa pagiging moderator. Ayan. So,